Well, hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. Stay tuned to see how I could do my normal curly hair routine. Hello again. So today I'm just going to be doing my hair. I'm just going to be doing a deep condition on my hair and also showing you how I get my curls. I've been wearing my hair natural since I was in high school, and I've been it took a while to kind of figure out what exactly I like to do to my hair. But after a while, I started to really appreciate my curls, and now wearing it straight, I just don't really do it. So first, I'm just sectioning off my hair into 4 parts. This just, for me, makes it easier for all of the deep condition to get to every part of your hair. My hair is really thick, so me just putting it on the tips of my hair and just like running it through, I feel like it doesn't really get to every part of it, so you have to make sure you section off. So I'm using this coconut oil like protein pack on my hair. I can leave the type that I used in the description below, but this one I just picked it up from Target, and I'm just setting it into my hair. It says on the package that you can use it for like 15 minutes, but my hair is super dry, so I just decided that I'm just gonna do an overnight mask. So this is me doing it right before bed. And you always want to work from the tips of your hair up to the top of mostly focusing it on the tips of your hair, because the tips of your hair is the deadest part of your hair. And then the top part of your hair is more newer, so it's going to have more moisture, of course, especially if you have like an oily scalp. I do not, but it's going to be that way. So I usually use a wide tooth comb when my hair is like super dry. I used to use my Denman brush, but since my hair is so dry, like I just have to make sure I don't want to pull out too much hair with the combs being too tiny. So I usually start off this way. There it is. It is all through my hair. You gotta make sure you got every inch of that product. Come on. You paid for it, you might as well use all of it. Okay, so when I sleep, I have to use my shower cap just so it doesn't get on my pillowcase and everything. So now I'm going to sleep. And it is the next morning, and now it's time to wash this stuff out of my hair. Into the shower I go. So you're going to want to rinse all of it out of your hair, of course. And I can list all the products that I use in my hair to wash my hair. I mean, I've been using these products for a long time, so my hair has had a lot of time to adjust to it. If you're trying new products on your hair, then yeah. So I'm starting off with the shampoo. I didn't get a really good picture in it when I was filming, so I'll just list what type I use, but it's like a blue bottle. It has like argan oil in your hair. Argan oil, I've been using it for such a long time. It just always works great. Well, since my hair is a little bit longer, you always want to focus on doing it closer to your scalp, because that's the dirtiest part, not so much the end parts of your hair. You can just let that part towards the end, but you mostly want to scrub to your scalp, because that's where all of the itchiness is and all the, dirt and grime and stuff is in your hair. When I was younger, I actually started liking my hair after, once I started doing it. Oh, and here's the conditioner. But yeah, I started liking doing my hair once I would go to my hairdresser to have her straighten my hair, like that middle stage of her washing my hair and to blow drying it out. I was like, my hair is so pretty when it's curly, but I'm like, how do I get it to stay that way? And after doing research, I figured out how to, get it to how I like it and define curls and everything. You always want to be very careful when you're combing your hair. Sometimes I get a little, I don't want to wait, but you want to move slowly, like through each section. And make sure you start from the tips of your hair all the way at the ends and then work your way up. Because if you just start from the top, you're going to rip your hair and then that, results in some hair loss. So, and this is a deep conditioner. Another deep conditioner that you can use is like a 3-Minute Miracle. I can't remember the brand, but it's actually really good. I get it from my store. Okay, so now I'm done. So what you want to do is rinse your hair with cold water. If you're washing your hair with warm water, rinse it with cold water to like close the cuticles of your hair. Is that what it's called, cuticles? I think so. Let me know if that's wrong. I don't know what it's called, but I know you're supposed to rinse it with cold water right after you're done. This is what I put in my hair. I kind of mix a lot of stuff. And so these are two of the same brand. It's like a coconut milk and cream and something. And then this olive oil stuff that I've been using for such a long time. The olive oil stuff I've been using, I used to use a different brand of cream to mix in my stuff, but then they ran out of it. So I started using this and it's been really good. So I mixed both of these with this and this lasts me a couple months. So I just mix it together because it has a lot of good nutrients in it. Coconut oil, argan oil, all of those things that are supposed to let your hair grow. So I was like, what am I trying to say here? So when you dry your hair, you want to use not a towel, but like a t-shirt or something, because you don't want a towel on your hair because it is going to dry out your hair a little bit more. So again, I'm just going to section off my hair into multiple sections. As my hair has gotten longer, it's become more difficult to just put the cream in my hair and run it through my fingers. Now I have to really section it off. So if you have shorter hair, you don't really need to section it off. But if you have longer hair, you're going to want to section off. This is me realizing I don't have another rubber band, but oh well. So what I do is I just start off. I use Eco Styler Gel. There's another kind that I really like, but I didn't get it this time, and it has like black castor oil in it. It's supposed to be good for hair growth, but I just use this one for now. So again, I just comb out my hair again just to make sure everything is like detangled. Yep, I really need to get more rubber bands, but oh well. I detangle it, and then I put the cream in first, and then I'll put in the gel. And what I do is just, yes, girl, we see the gel. Don't need to show it to the camera, but yeah. So you can use one at a time or both of them together. Sometimes as I'm going through my hair, I kind of like put them together. Yes, I don't think I showed, but I did put the conditioner in my hair first. And now I just finger coil each section. You can find little tips and tricks so you don't have to do like each strand of your hair, but it's going to come out nicest if you do it that way most of the time. But yeah, now it's just one. Now that section's done. Wow, look at my video editing skills. I am getting so good at editing, guys. Let me know if you guys see a good transition of my edits, if like they're getting better. I hope so. I'm trying, guys. This is the first time I've done anything video related, so I'm honestly learning as I go and looking at also some other YouTubers that are giving good advice. So this is me. I'm just gonna style it the way I usually style it, which is parted to one side. I always find that with my hair, day 3 hair always looks the best, and you want to, put it in a pineapple when you're sleeping, like put a hair cover on because that keeps the curls, or sleep on a satin pillowcase because then that keeps your hair from snagging and it keeps it lasting a whole week. I do not wash my hair multiple times during the week because I don't want to dry it out even more. Unless I do like a pre-poo or something, like I like rinse it and then put just conditioner in it instead of washing it, because I want to keep in a lot of my moisture, because that is the thing that I struggle with, is dry hair. So I want to prevent putting on a lot of water. And that is it. This is just me like kind of feeling myself a little much. But yeah, this is the end. I hope you enjoyed the video. I believe this is the end. Yeah. So guys, please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell notification to be notified when I upload more videos. I am really enjoying doing these videos for you guys, so I hope you guys are enjoying them as well. Just letting you know, I am still learning day by day, week by week. I have so far gained like 20 subscribers, so thank you so much for joining the Starr fam and becoming one of my peeps. I'm just so grateful to have you guys here. Honestly, I know I'm just rambling because I'm feeling myself a little too much, but yeah, that's basically the end of the video. So enjoy whatever I decided to do at the end, this little posing thing, I guess, that I'm doing. So bye my peeps. Bye.